And go.
Um, just going to go through the manufacturing process here of the product. The majority of the product was handmade by myself. The main process the main joining process within the product was MIG welding, okay, which was completed within the workshop. Now, the main body of the product is made from mild steel frame and then a recycled plastic side, okay. This recycled plastic is called Enviroboard. I sourced it from JP Curry and it was £42 for an 8x4 sheet. After finding or sourcing it and researching it, I found that it is very, very durable material, non-toxic, durable, waterproof, very, very, very good for the actual environment that this product is going to be in. Right? For example, the animals that's going to be in it, young calves, normally chew on anything that they can find. So this here is non-chewable as well. Now, the other things within the crush that I sourced from outside sources were this steel frame, which was plasma cut. Also, the top struts here, which were also plasma cut, the ratchets. But these top struts here, I rolled myself in the metal roller within the workshop. Now, also, as you can see here, with the axle, the wheels were obviously got from an outside source. A lot of different processes had to be carried out to actually get the whole design fit together. For example, all this mild steel pipe in here had to be hydraulically bent using a hydraulic bender. I actually bent this here myself after sourcing my own hydraulic bender, but got these here pieces done from outside sources. Now, also the finish was completed by Ultra Galvanizing in Newton Stewart, County Tyrone. The overall cost of the finish was £49. The overall cost of the product itself is somewhere in the region of £250. Now, looking at different products which are available on the market at the minute, there are ranging from £500 to £1,100 for the same sort of product right there to do the same job. Now, after bringing the product home and completing various tests on it, I found some inefficiencies with the first test. For example, whenever I put the first animal in through the door, it just simply ran out through the front gate, and we had to retrieve it and put it back into the back. Now, the reason for this was the bolts here on the hinges weren't secured firmly. Okay, now they are, and also the spring-loaded headlock was also too slack. Okay, so the calf was able to manoeuvre this here it's by itself, allowing it too much freedom and allowing it to move about within the crush. Now, also another problem that I found was these here locks on the ratchet. Now, after speaking with the client was concerned that over the course of time and over numerous uses of this product for the different processes being carried out in the calves, that the strain of the actual calves forcing against those locks would actually cause them to break. So the client suggested that this here lock here and also this here one here could be made from heavier gauge metal, okay, or heavier gauge mild steel, so that it'd be stronger and stand the test of time. Now, also a few other things that caused problems within the manufacture was after getting it galvanized. Galvanized had added about 1 mil to each hole within the frame, so each hole had to be reamed out using the drill to get the bolts to fit right back in through again. So this increased the time of actually putting the product back together. But other than that, the product does this job. The client asked in the client interview that the product be portable. Okay, so That's the reason for the wheels. The product can be moved from place to place. Now, one reason for using the stoke board, or for using the Enviro board, was it was a durable substance, but also that it is light as well. Okay, so the overall product is quite light, but yet will stand up to any animal which is inserted inside it. After thorough testing as well, I found that the gate here was a wee bit sticky, but through time and through use, this here gate will hopefully free up and be able to close itself without having to latch it back down. Other than that, I'm very, very pleased with the product, very pleased with how it went. It was very enjoyable making it, okay? And the main thing is this product can be used as functional, as tested. It can be used and will be used by the client.